Welcome to a new video. Today's video I have a giant Shein haul for you guys. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the shoes that I got first. So the first pair of shoes that I got I absolutely adore, and they're these beautiful kitten heel pink heart rhinestone heels. And they are just absolutely precious. I am so in love with these. Okay, so next up, I got these really different pink platform shoes, and this is what they look like, kind of like a Birkenstock with two buckles. They have a platform here, and they're just really fun for summer. Next up is this pair of shoes. This is what they look like, just these cute platforms with the pink bow, really girly. White bottoms, absolutely perfect. All right, so the last pair of shoes that I got were these brown platform shoes, just very simple for summer. I think I got these for like 10 bucks on Shein on sale. So clothing items. So now moving on to clothing items. I got this white top, and it would just go like this. Just a very simple white top, silky material. Next up is this item. Next up is a really cute mermaid bra. I saw The Little Mermaid recently, the live action, and now I'm obsessed with mermaids, but it's this really cute pink shell bra, and I'm obsessed. Next up, we have a top, I believe. Okay. So it is just a halter top, pink halter top with two little bow details here. All right, and now we have another top, and this is a baby blue corset type top. Ties there, gives me a little Bo Peep vibes. All right, so we have this top now. And this is like a romantic top, I would say. I think I have like a theme for everything, but it has this rose, beautiful details. It's a crisscross back, and it also has the cinching on the side that you can play with, but it's very girly and cute. The next item is just a cute white skirt with a little tie there. Very cute for summer, very girly. Alrighty, I have this item here, and it is a workout romper. It is like a lime, almost like light lime green, but here are the shorts, and then this is what the back looks like. Really cute. Alrighty, next up I have like this black maxi skirt. I saw this on the model on Shein, and she was wearing it with some cool docks, like knockoff docks, obviously. Back here, and it has this cutout. It also has the side cutouts here, and it is very long, cute slit right here. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of sexy. And yeah, so there's that. Okay, so next up, I have this beautiful ivory girly dress, and I'm absolutely in love with this. It has this lace detailing right here and these beautiful little roses right here, and it also has a slit with a rose, and it is just really beautiful. Great quality, and I'm obsessed. Alrighty, jumping into the lingerie items. This is really girly. They all come with the thong, but this one is very girly as well too. It's just this baby doll. It is very frilly, and it has these beautiful flower details, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. Alrighty, so here's the next one. Oh, by the way, do you guys like my new necklace I found at Dollar Tree? I got this for $1.35, and that's tax included. It's got a gold chain, and it almost looks like a mother of pearl cross. Anyway, moving on. Here's the thong for this baby doll. but it's this beautiful butterfly baby doll. And just look at the details. So girly and cute. Final lingerie item. We have, here are the bottoms. These are unique, so I'll show these. Here is the front. Very mesh and sheer. And then here is, oops, the top or the bra. It's kind of wrinkled, but get the gist of it. Okay, so moving on to accessories. Let's start with this box. I got this really cute accessory for the wall. You hang up your beautiful beauty items, and it's just a little butterfly. It reminds me of Tinkerbell, Princess. I don't know if I'm going to hang this up here at my house or if I'm going to hang this up at on my trailer. So stay tuned, but it's very beautiful. Okay, so we have all of these accessories that I'm going to share. So start with my socks because I already opened them. Haven't worn them yet, but they're these cute girly heart socks. Got this really cute Hello Kitty clip. Some mauve pink makeup brushes with the clear bottom. Really cute nails with pink tips and a pink heart. So my style. Cute white hearts with white tips and nails. Valentine's Day looking nails with red hearts and pearls. Ugh. I'm obsessed with the almond shape, but these are really cute also. I don't know if you can see them, but oh yeah, has pink hearts and butterflies. Pink gingham with rhinestones. Really cute. We have a butterfly detail here with some pink hearts and pink tips. And lastly, we have these cool star nails with black tips and white tips, white stars and rhinestones, and then a pink star, which is really cool. Oh, and there's pink gingham here. I don't know if you can see that, but these are so fun. All right, that is it for today's massive haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys liked this haul or this video, please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Bye, guys.